Alright everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is July 5th, 2024, and we are about to go to Japan with everyone. So we'll be meeting at the airport at 10:30, which is in around 4 hours. So we're just gonna get ready, do like final preparations for like packing and stuff, and then we're off to Japan. Let's go. Okay, we're at the airport. Vlog. Everybody else left. Everybody else went to Starbucks. So it's just us. We're 3 hours early.
It's guaranteed refill.
This is the most productive thing that I've ever seen.
Well, we have lots of time.
I think I've seen less productive things at this point.
Their ice just tastes better than my ice. Or like, this is
I know, this is the hard-hitting facts though.
Gate C8, your aircraft has boarded. Borders will be closing in just a few minutes.
By 30 minutes. Wait, where'd Quinn go?
To go check if the plane is here.
Oh.
He said it's fine.
Does anyone need a USB-C? A USB driver? That one you're looking at.
We made it on the flight.
What does that mean, that seat?
Now it's time for a short little nap. That was like minutes. We are currently still in the plane because there is a thunderstorm. Currently we are stuck in the airplane. There's a second thunderstorm, so we've already been sitting here for a little more than an hour. It's gonna be another 30 minutes to an hour for the second thunderstorm, so we're gonna be in this plane for 2 hours on the runway.
Guys, we've been on this plane for over an hour.
This is not good. Not good at all. We're still stuck.
2 hours on the plane.
And now we're stuck in the We made it to Japan.
Do you guys like my socks? They're pandas.
They're blue.
Great words from Quinn.
My socks are
That's
I
crazy.
hate you. Hurry up and let's take the photo.
Okay. Oh jeez. How was your guys?
I don't care, I'm being top of it.
Exactly, but if I'm over here, that would be disturbing me.
You don't think it's gonna echo when you're over here?
I think it would be better than if I'm right next to me.
Are you guys liking Japan so far?
Mixed opinions. I mean, we didn't do anything really yet.
I mean, it's out of our control.
Yeah, like,
Flight.
you know, how are we supposed to control a thunderstorm? 2 thunderstorms.
Yeah, that was unfortunate, but we went to 7-Eleven, got food. Oh, one of us didn't get food, but
Look how much food I have. And
We
keep
have-
in mind, I still have a sandwich from home.
that's true.
Don't
Quinn has
forget
one
to
food.
wash your hands.
Okay.
Wash your hands.
So he just enters
Well, I
the room
I used
like.
the bathroom before I went, and I never touched something.
Didn't you buy something?
No, I didn't.
Wow.
But
well.
you didn't get the whole complete experience.
Are you guys enjoying Japan so far?
Yeah, I loved sitting on the plane for 2.5 hours.
I was about to say, how would you rate our plane flight from 1 to 10?
The beginning, really good. Landed, really didn't like that. But how, like our descent, seeing the thunder and the lightning, or seeing the lightning and hearing the thunder, what an experience. I never want to do that again.
Unfortunately, Andrew was separated from us.
It is what it is.
But Andrew still survived.
You know, I dropped a piece of chicken on my friend when we were eating lunch, and I was like, damn, it's probably gonna be the worst thing that happens on this flight. It wasn't, but you know, we're here now, and that's
How was your flight, Kaden? It was good.
I love sitting and waiting and waiting.
Especially because you sat next to me, I was the
Oh, you had to sit next to Jody, I forgot.
Okay, I accidentally, no, I
What?
accidentally turned on the
and
read.
waiting and waiting and waiting. So fun.